Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your legs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Place your fingertips to your shoulders with your elbows wide. Begin to circle your elbows forward and around, alternating right and left, moving at your own pace. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Circle your elbows back and around, alternating right and left, creating more space and ease through your rib cage, shoulders, and upper back. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch, reach your arms overhead, interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Pausing at the top, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Slowly unwind and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.